Hello, welcome to this week's 5-minute rhythm and rhyme. Today we're going to be using a mixture of body percussion and signs for a song called Winter Winds by Mumford Sons. Let's start with the signs. So first of all we have a head, so we just point to our heads with our hands. And then we've got heart, and we actually draw a heart using our fingers, like that. Heart. Heart. And then we have love. Love. Told. We're going to point away from our mouth because we're saying something. Told. Grow. Imagine this hand is the plant that's growing. Grow. And then we have no. No. Great, let's move on to the body percussion. For this one, we're going to have a clap on beats 1, and on beats 2, 3, and 4, we're going to do it on our lap. So see if you can join in with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent, steady beat. Let's try it with the music.
As the winter winds litter London with lonely hearts, oh, the warmth in your eyes swept me into your arms. Was it love or fear of the cold that led us through the night? For every kiss, your beauty trumped my doubt, and my hand told my heart, let love grow. But my heart told my hand, this time no, this time no. We'll be washed and buried one day, my girl, and the time we were given will be left for the world. The flesh that lived and loved will be eaten by plague. So let the memories be good for those who stay. Hey, and my hand told my heart, let love grow. But my heart told my hand, this time no. Yes, my heart told my hand, this time no, this time no. But if your strife strikes at your sleep, remember spring swaps snow for leaves. You'll be happy and wholesome again when the city clears and sun ascends. Hey, and my hand told my heart, let love grow. But my heart told my hand, this time no. And my hand told my heart, let love grow. But my heart told my hand, this time no, this time no.
Super job, everyone. See you next time.
As the winter winds litter London with lonely hearts, oh, the warmth in your eyes swept me into your arms. Was it love or fear of the cold that led us through the night? For every kiss, your beauty trumped my